One day in Furfuri Nagar, Motu was sitting sadly. Patlu asked, "What happened, Motu? You didn't even eat a samosa today." Motu sighed. "Patlu, the tea shop is closed today. No tea, no samosas, just an empty stomach." Just then, Dr. Jhatka arrived with a small box. He said, "Behold my new invention, the magic Ladoo. Whoever eats it will get superpowers." Motu's eyes sparkled. Without thinking, he ate the whole laddu in one bite. Suddenly, Motu started flying in the air. Patlu shouted, "Motu, come down! You're flying!" Motu laughed. "I am Super Motu now." He flew over Furfuri Nagar, bumping into walls and trees. Then he zoomed too fast and crashed into the tea seller's cart, spilling all the tea everywhere. Patlu said, "So, who got hurt, Super Motu or the tea?" Motu laughed and said, "I've learnt my lesson. Whether it's a sweet or a magic one, too much is never good." Moral: greed, even for sweets or power, always ends in trouble.